Welcome to our channel, where we equip you with the knowledge to excel in the stock market. If you're committed to enhancing your trading abilities, you've come to the right destination. In our previous episode, we examined moving averages, the Heikin-Ashi chart, and the super trend indicator, discussing how they can enhance your trading approach. Today, we will focus on the EMA 20 and 50 crossover, offering a concise overview along with its distinct benefits. But first, what is an exponential moving average, EMA? Unlike a simple moving average, SMA, EMA gives more weight to recent price data, making it more responsive to price changes. This makes it a valuable tool for traders and investors alike. The EMA 20 and 50 crossover is a widely used strategy to determine potential trend changes. Here's how it works. 1. When the 20 EMA crosses above the 50 EMA, it signals a bullish trend, indicating a potential buying opportunity. 2. When the 20 EMA crosses below the 50 EMA, it signals a bearish trend, suggesting a potential selling or shorting opportunity. The 20 and 50 EMA crossover helps in short-term trading. Traders can use the crossover to enter and exit positions efficiently. Swing trading. The crossover provides clarity on trend shifts over a medium time frame. Long-term investing. Investors use it to confirm major trend changes before making strategic moves. However, it's important to note that no indicator is infallible. The effectiveness of the EMA crossover is maximized when used in conjunction with other technical analysis tools such as Super Trend Indicator helps confirm trend direction. Heikin-Ashi chart smoothens price movements for clearer signals. RSI Relative Strength Index measures momentum to avoid false breakouts. MACD Moving Average Convergence Divergence adds confirmation for strong trends. Before using this strategy in live markets, consider these tips. 1. Always backtest your strategy before trading real capital. 2. Use stop-loss orders to manage risk. 3. Combine fundamental analysis with technical signals for better accuracy. 4. Monitor volume. Higher volume during crossovers increases reliability. If you found this content beneficial, please remember to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell to keep up with our latest trading insights. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Wishing you successful trading.